All right, 10th grade, it is Mrs. Millis. We are going to be taking a look at these reading and writing activities that are going to coincide with Their Eyes. With Their Eyes is a series of monologues, as Miss Riley and I have already explained. And we've only decided to give them to you in small bits. So here's here's an example of two. If you see the hyperlink right here, that brings you to the reading. And then right here it says, when quoting a novel in MLA format, you have the following in-text citation: last name and page number. If you look right here, there's the example. So the authors are given to you right here. So it's going to be very simple for you to pick their last name along with the page number that you're pulling your quote, and to format your punctuation as such. Please note that you have 3 things to answer for each piece. So here's the first piece: things below, things above. What you need to do right here is analyze the text. So read it, kind of give us your thoughts about it, try to make a personal connection, or pose a question like, after reading it now, what do you wonder? What are you thinking? 2 to 3 sentences. So your minimum is 2 right here. Then you need to go into this next column, and it says, why did the students pick this title for the story? You're focusing on things below, things above, and then pulling a quote from the piece to explain why that quote is appropriate, or why that title is appropriate. And then you're going to go into this last column, and it says positive or negative. Explain if this monologue, explain if things below, things above is focused on the positive or negative aspects of the situation. So you're going to have to choose one or the other, and then explain why, and bring in a quote from the piece to back up your reasoning. So for this column and this column, you have to have quotes, cited quotes, and your author is going to have to be shown in this kind of format. So that's what we would do for things below and things above, and that's exactly what you'd have to do for safety net. 2 to 3 sentences in this column. You're going to have to explain the title and bring in a quote for this column and cite, and you're going to have to decide negative or positive towards the situation, and you're going to have to bring in a quote and explain why that fits too. So there's not a whole lot here, and we've cut out half the book because of the situation that we're in. So you're doing half the work that the students did last year when we were reading through With Their Eyes. So keep that in mind as you work your way through. If you guys have any questions, please visit our office hours. Miss Day, Miss Riley, and myself are here to help. So as you're reading through this monologue, please jump in and ask us any questions, or email us if you find that you're stuck or you just want to bounce some ideas off of us. Okay? Thank you very much.